It's every time. Kini akomo mi no, kini mayogo. Adani ibolongbe. Kini akomo mi no, kini mayogo. Ojo ti po simi, oda mi lo tupe. Abalani o, abalani. Iya tó tẹ̀lé, fógún ọdún, oṣù tó tani, fógún oṣù tí ó bá ti pani. Àṣìlẹ́yìn ẹni torí pé ẹbí ti ń gàn mí o, ara ti ń gàn mí o, níbo lójú rẹ̀? Bàbá wa gàn mí o, ẹbí ti ń gàn mí o, ara ti ń gàn mí o, níbo lójú rẹ̀ o? Bàbá wa gàn mí o. Ìyà yìí ti tó gẹ́, òṣì yìí ti tó gẹ́. Ìyà yìí ti tó gẹ́, òṣì yìí ti tó gẹ́. Ìpọ́njú yìí ti tó gẹ́. Wá wá gbà mí o, wá gbà mí o. Bàbá wá gbà mí o.
Next. Answer me. Answer me. Answer me. I don't want to hear any explanation. Yeah? Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Next. Off your back. Off your back. Off your back. Off your back. Don't come back to school. Don't come back to school. Don't come back to school. Next. Answer me. Answer me. Answer me. Your head is playing you. You always come to school. Don't come back. Don't come back to school. Oh yeah. Next. Answer me. Answer me. Answer me. Answer me. Answer me. Yeah. Look at me. Useless fellow.
I want my hand.
I don't want your hand. Turn around for me.
My mom is paining
It's
me.
not consigning. Don't come here. Don't come here. Don't come here. No.
Sir, I have an explanation.
I don't want to hear any
Sir, I have an explanation. There was a ghastly go.
Turn around for me.
There was a ghastly go slow.
Turn around. Don't come here to school. Don't come here to school. Useless fellow. Answer me. Next. Answer me. Answer me. Answer me. Answer me. Answer me. You always come late to school. Don't come late to school. Don't come late to school. Next. Answer me. You still carry MP come to school. Oh yeah, give me that MP. Give it to me. Answer me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Useless fellow. Oh yeah, give me that phone too. Give me that phone too. Useless fellow. You always come late to school. You are still carry MP. Answer me now. Useless fellow. Yeah, turn around. I'm going to give you 20 square. Turn like this. You won't fight me.
Arike, sorry for disturbing you. Like, Arike, I just love the way you used to do your Arike. Like, I just love it. Like, I wish I know how to speak Yoruba fluently like that, but I'm not good in it.
Wow, I'm so happy. Well, Arike is one pillar in Yoruba land. Arike is one pillar in Yoruba land. And only a part of pop, tí ó máa ń kó ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. As you see me, ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí. And kò ní kí n má sọ òyìnbó. Iṣẹ́ ewì ò ní pé school àbí education àbí fẹ́ takò náà. you too, you are also a Yoruba girl.
Yes.
So, only láti mọ bó ṣe ń sọ Yoruba dáadáa.
I'm trying.
Like, put more effort. Put more effort. Wàá rí pé èmi, I don't care.
If you don't mind, can we be friends? Oh, like, I'm already going. Bye, let's go.
Mo kí gbogbo wa. Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ti mọ̀ wípé Yorùbá dára, Yorùbá dùn. Ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí. Ọmọ Yorùbá ni yín. Ọmọ Yorùbá ni yín. Kí ló dé tí àṣì ní máa gbé àṣà àti ìṣe wa lárugẹ? Mo dẹ̀ sọ fún yín wípé ewì jẹ́ ọ̀kan gbòógì ní inú àṣà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé ọmọ Ẹ̀gbá ni mí. Ó dàbí ẹni pé ọmọ Ẹ̀gbá ni, I don't know. Ọmọ Olúbo. Ẹdó náà lórí kìtì wọn náà. Ó dáa kí a máa gbé àṣà àti ìṣe wa ní àrògẹ. Ojú ọmọ Yorùbá ò lè sọ Yorùbá. Ẹ mọ̀ wípé oríkì òun ni a máa fi mọ ọmọ ọkọ ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Tọ́mọ bá ń ké, tọ́ba bá kí oríkì fún tó jẹ́ ọmọ ọkọ ní ilé yẹn, á dákẹ́. So, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run.
Hi everyone. Arike, come. I want to see you. This she.
Trust me. But
Ọmọ Ẹ̀gbá ni.
Ọmọ Ẹ̀gbá Mọ̀lísà bí ọmọ Gbòǹgbàkàlà. Olivia Ẹ̀gbá nílé bàbá rẹ̀. Bí ìbárẹ̀ bàbá rẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀ ló yé mi yékéyéké. Ọmọ òníbọ̀ òsìjú wẹ̀rẹ̀ bàbá tó bí lọ́mọ Ẹ̀gbá Mọ̀lísà bí Gbòǹgbàkàlà. Olivia ìwọ ọlọ́mẹrin jọ wọ́n lá òsínlẹ̀kùn kalẹ̀kùn dé ọmọ àríjòkó lójú ogun ni wọ́n kó kí ilé bàbá ẹ̀. Ẹ̀gbà tí mo sẹ́yìn oró kí n tó sẹ́tẹ̀ eégún mọ́lú olúkọ́jọ́ bí ọmọ ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ tí mo ní kíkan.
But she's still crying now.
Precious. Bí mo ṣe ń kí ìgbọ́n rẹ̀ tó lè máa kú máa kí sí. Nígbà míì, ọ̀rọ̀ làwọn bàbá wọn máa ń fi rán tí àbí ń sùn. Olivia, sori, ẹkún àsùnwà kò dáa o. Kò sí nǹkan tó lè wù kó máa ṣe ẹ́. Feel free to talk.
You will understand.
You are going to understand you.
I was raped.
Raped?
Management must do this.
No, please. I don't want the school management to hear about this. The shame will be too much for me to bear. Even everybody who's in the school will be aware that I was raped. Even my parents must not hear about this.
Aside from that, even if we report, like some people are just so influential, the school will not do anything about it. They will break the school.
Precious. What should we do now? But we must do something.
What do you want to do? Olivia, I feel your pain.
I don't feel my pains at all.
Olivia.
How will you feel to be raped by a gang of guys? Not even 1, 2, 3.
Olivia,
it's okay. Olivia, it's okay.
Má kí mi, tọ́jú kíkí ẹ̀ pamọ́.
Stand greet.
Good morning, sir. Glad to see you, sir. God bless you, sir.
Ẹ jókòó. Ìwọ ṣebí mo ti ní kó máa gbé ohun burúkú bẹ́ẹ̀ wá sí kíláàsì mọ́. Hey, I'm talking to you. Stand up. Out of my class.
Remo of Lagos.
Faster.
Our celeb. Yes, Starboy. Yes.
Hey, where are you going?
Okay, ẹ fẹ́ bí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́nà àbí. Ẹ ti ní kí Rẹ́mà máa lọ. Ẹ jẹ́ kí Burna Boy gbá tẹ̀lé rẹ̀.
Ẹ jọ wáyé ni.
Okay. No. Ẹ má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn sọ̀rọ̀, ẹ má ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀. Daddy tó lọ́mọ yóò lè fail exam clinical pass it by force now. It's not done anywhere. Yeah! Orí mi. Ta ló sọ òkúta? Mo dáre yìí. Oh my God. Ọlọ́run máa dá fún yín. Wọ́n máa sọ ọ̀pọ̀ páyé yín ni. You useless people. Oh my God. Whenever you are in the class, you don't concentrate on anything again. Hey, how are you, my dear? You don't concentrate on whatever you are learning in the classroom again. My dear, is there anything you are facing that you can share it with your teacher? No? Most teachers no man complain. No man complain nípa pé oh concentrate. How are you there? Pé oh kí n concentrate lórí nǹkan tí o bá ń kọ́ in the classroom. You better change. Maybe we should invite your uncle. That you don't concentrate in the school again. you will change. And let's invite your uncle so that you expose yourself, you tell everybody that this is what I'm passing through. Ah. Praise, you better change. Change, oh. All right, go back to your class, okay? Hey, you, meet me at the class, okay?
Farabalẹ̀ kí ló ṣe wojú mi ìwọ ọlọ́lọ́ sọ pé olóhùn sọ̀rọ̀ wa kiri ní street ìwọ ọlọ́run sọ pé terrorist ni wà ní school mọ̀ pé yẹ kó ṣèyà fún ẹni.
ẹ jẹ́ kó ṣèyà fún mi ẹjọ́ èmi kọ́.
mo gẹ́gẹ́ bí wàá yín sí mi mo story tẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ ń pa sóyè ká ṣèyà fún mi.
ẹjọ́ jẹ́.
ká ṣèyà fún ẹ̀fọ́ etí ẹ̀.
Master, look at them. They are bullying people. That is how they always do inside this class. Please look at them. They are beating Paul over there.
Okay, they are beating Paul.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't worry.
Don't let them know that I'm the one that told you. Yeah.
Oh, don't worry. What? You are not. I'm beating. You're beating. Look at it. Look at that money. By the time you get to the principal office, you go out and explain yourself. My dear, come on. Why not explain this office? You are a very stupid boy. Shut up! So you want to spoil the name of the school, Abi? Huh? Hey, shut your mouth. Let me tell you this. Your parents must come to school with you on Monday. Okay? You are very stupid, idiot. Only well. Go be by. Ọmọ burúkú tó fẹ́ yà ẹ́. Àti wọ́n àtàwọn tó kú ẹ̀ o gbọ́dọ̀ provide wọn. Orúkọ school thirty protect for years. Ẹ fẹ́ bàjẹ́. You are mad. You are very stupid. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Our topic for today is basic child rights.
Wow.
Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
And I know if I should ask you people now.
Yes, sir.
No, you might not know it. Yes.
What is
Praise. Praise. What is basic child right?
Praise. Yes.
Hey. Praise.
Sir?
What happened to you?
What, sir?
What are you thinking?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is basic child rights?
I don't know it, sir.
Keep quiet!
I did not know it.
It was so interactive. I really enjoyed myself. Babes, how are you? Don't you know that you were the one they are referring to?
How will I be the one they are talking to?
Yes, now we forgot what you said.
Yes, that's the reason why they were mimicking you.
I did not know it. 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 I did not know it.
I do not know
I
it.
did not know it.
I did not know it.
I did not know
I
it.
did not know
I
it.
did
I don't know I'm como shibo, como
I did not know
kankan.
it. I did not know it. I did not know it.
Is it fine? I'm not sure.
Praise. What is the matter? Praise, are you good? Praise now. Praise, look up. Praise. What is the matter now?
Praise. A problem shared is a problem solved. Feel free to talk to us. We are your friends.
Life without a parent is very unbearable. My father died when my mother was pregnant of me. My mother also died when I was 3 years old. I know my uncle as my father. My uncle treats me as his own daughter, provide anything I want for me. Not until a fateful day. Sleeping, then I felt a strange touch on my body. Me standing up, finding it was my uncle. I'm going through my private parts. He said I should close my eyes. He wants to check something.
What? Check what?
Am I not your daddy?
But that is not proper.
What? I'm your father. I have the right to check anything in your body.
Daddy, no.
Know what?
Daddy, no.
Praise. Come on.
Daddy, no. Daddy, no. Daddy, no.
Daddy, I hate you. I hate you. I defeated me fatherhood. I couldn't do this to me.
I'm sorry. I'm not intentionally.
I don't touch you, don't touch me, I hate you.
Well, if you insist, let me warn you and warn you very well. Let this be between I and you. The family must not hear you, or else, Praise, or else I will kill you.
Dad, you kill me. You kill me. I hate you.
What? Rape again?
You have stayed with me all the time, the morning, the afternoon, the night. Even when I'm back from school with my uniform. Even before the breakfast.
Guys, I think school authority must hear this.
No.
Yes, she's right. I have a solution. Let's teach them a lesson. Ow!
Yes, I agree with you. We have to teach them a good lesson.
You don't want to greet me? Come, Joe, come and greet your daddy. Am I not your daddy again? Come over here. Come. Do like this. Good girl. Greet me now. Come. Come, do like this.
Daddy, I promise you not to do this again. Daddy, no.
I said I'm not doing it again, but let's
Daddy, no. Daddy, no. Daddy, no.
You are sorry, Daddy.
Daddy, no. Daddy, no.
Come down.
Daddy, no.
Last card. Oh, they put on the second.
Anna.
Yes.
There is this thing I want to tell you about.
Okay, what is that?
Would you believe that one of the guys asked me out?
What?
He wants to date me.
He wants to date you?
Then he has been threatening me that if I did not date him, he's going to do something to me.
Hey! So what did you tell him?
I told him I cannot date him.
Eh? What did you say? You cannot date him, or what did you say?
Yeah.
You want to kill yourself, Abby?
In what way?
In many ways. You better do what he has you to do. Or else.
Do what?
Me simple.
I cannot.
You cannot.
I can't do such.
Better do it. I'm begging because I love you. Hey,
they cannot.
Because I know this guy very well. They can do and not do.
They cannot do anything to me, my dear.
But I'm thinking something.
What is that?
Maybe you should tell your mom, or you should tell the management about this.
Tell. I'm not going to inform anybody.
Maybe you should.
If you don't mind, I would love to be part of your discussion.
What are you guys talking about?
Talking about?
We aren't talking about anything.
I guess you guys are scared. This boy is Precious. I think it is high time. You need to act fast.
Grace, you are welcome. Your food is ready, it's on the dining.
No.
Grace!
No.
Grace, what is it?
No.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. Okay, I'm fine.
Grace!
I'm fine.
Where are you going? Come back here, Grace! Grace! Grace!
You guys should consider my suggestion. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run mo bẹ̀ wá. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fìjà fọ́lọ́run jà. Àwọn guys yìí wọ́n lágbára jù wá lọ. Wọ́n mọ̀yàn jù wá lọ. Most of our parents wọ́n lówó lọ́wọ́. Aunty Uncle Praise, ẹ jẹ́ ká fìjà fọ́lọ́run jà. Ọlọ́run ló bẹ lẹ́san. Ó máa kó ní tiwọn níwájú. Please don't let us take law into our hands. Please guys.
Ọmọ Yoruba, don't even tell me that. Don't even go there at all. How will you feel if you were in my shoes?
Olivia!
How do you want me to tell my parents I've lost my virginity? How? Are you feeling my pains at all?
Are you? Olivia, I feel your pain. And we will follow your decision. You all, let's go.
Thank you.
Are you guys going? Where are you going? Come on, let's go, John.
Sẹ́jọ́ mi wá ni sẹ́jọ́ èmi ikú wá ni Ẹlẹ́dùmarè ni iṣẹ́ tó sì gbélé lọ́wọ́ ni mò ń ṣe. Ẹlòmíì lè wà lórí òpó kọ́dún oṣù ọ̀sẹ̀ wákàtí ìṣẹ́jú kákòókò rẹ̀ sì pé èmi kú lọ lórí òpó tó wà.
Dẹ̀dẹ̀ ẹ̀gbò kú ọ̀rẹ́ mi
tí ń gbẹ̀mí kó wá apanilẹ́gbẹ́ bàbá ọmọ amọ́mọlẹ́gbẹ́ bàbá.
gbáyé gbà mí o ẹ̀rọ ń kalẹ̀ sákò bá kọ́lẹ̀ yó. Táyọ̀ dìde Táyọ̀ lọ́mọ sókè ló dákẹ́ ṣé bébí náà bí tèmi mi ò lè mọ̀ kí n pọ̀ mọ́ lọ́mọ.
Time Akoko is the title. Written and produced by Talent Media TV. Directed by Akonjokin aka Dollars.
Kí ni mo ṣe o tẹ́ fi kọ́ mi lẹ́yìn ọkàn ọmọ náà.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi àdìpọ̀ tí mo sọ fún ọ wípé ó kù ṣẹ́jú méjì kákòókò ẹnìkan pé ṣẹ́jú méjì ohun ti tó àdúgbò náà la sì wà báyìí. Sórí bọ̀bọ̀ tí ń jà lọ́ọ̀kan
tí ń bẹ̀rẹ̀
tó wà nkárà gangan ó ṣeé ṣe kó jẹ́ di ìjà gan lákòókò rẹ̀ ó ti tó èyí tí mo sọ fún ọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan wípé sábàbí gan. Sórí pé kẹ́hìn tó ń kọ́lé mọ́ ọ kọ́lé kẹ́hìn tó ń ralẹ̀ mọ́ ọ ralẹ̀ kẹ́hìn tó ń rọkọ̀ mọ́ ọ rọkọ̀ kán mọ́ ọ gbádùn ní ìranú ṣúgà. Sórí nígbà ò bá já èmi kú gan gbádùn ni torí ń padà mú un lọ ní tákòókò wọn bá ti tó.
Available in all platforms. Talent Media TV in every social media platform. Talent Media TV in all platforms.
Àìsàn ọ̀rọ̀ lásán lè tà ní kẹ́ńsọ̀.
Ẹ̀yin ọ̀dọ́ ìlú mo kí yín o.
Àrẹ̀mú kò. Ó tún ti dé lónìí.
yálà ọdẹ lọ́gá àtìbà.
àti inú ìtàn àtàrọ́bá kò sí nǹkan kan tí ń jẹ́ wárápá nídìílé ọlọ́lá.
nínú àṣà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá bí yóò bá fọ́kọ àbí bí yóò bá láya wọ́n máa ń nìkan lọ gòdì lé wáyé.
wọ́n torí ẹ wá fẹ́ lógún jọ ní ìlú.
kí ló dé tí tẹ bá ní ìrùlẹ̀ lẹ́sàn-án pé kó má rẹ ẹni tí ó bá lé tí ó kò ṣù wá fún. Ayọ̀ká ó dàbí pé nǹkan tá a ṣe lọ́jọ́ sí ó dàbí pé mo ti fẹ́ra kù ìyá mi sì ti fura ńlé. Ayọ̀ká ó máa ti fẹ́ra kù ìyá mi ò fẹ́ra kù ti fẹ́ra kù
ìyá Yorùbá ẹ ṣe sùúrù náà bá ti
ẹwà ìfẹ́ tájú fọ́ lọ́jọ́ kí ló dé tó jalè sí lápá ọmọ aláìgbọràn báyìí ẹ ò fẹ́ lọ́rọ̀ gbọ́n tiẹ̀. ọkọ bá ti mo ti aya tán aláìní kò lè ṣe é sílẹ̀.
Ayọ̀ká ọ̀rẹ́ mi nítan o òṣìṣẹ́ kọ̀ sáìsẹ́ o ọwọ́ ẹ lómi ni o.
àkàkọ́ta ó pé o.
tá ń jẹ́ ọ̀pẹ ọ̀gbọ́dọ̀ fóun.
tó bá dún ikú pa.
wọ́n torí ẹ wá fẹ́ lógún jọ ní ìlú. wọ́n torí ẹ wá fẹ́ lógún jọ ní ìlú.
ó já sí pé ẹ fẹ́ tàn mí sí mi.
nífẹ̀ẹ́ tàn sí ọ. òkúta sí lọ́jọ́ sí ẹsẹ̀ rẹ ti yọ̀ ta o.
bíi ti bò ìgbà táyìn sì kù táyà fi lè pẹ́ bọ́ ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ dá.
ẹnìkan ṣoṣo ló máa ń pè mí lórúkọ yìí. wọ́n sì ní Àyọ̀ká.
èyí tó dúdú láàrin wọn sún nǹkan ni gbogbo àwọn aláàbá sọ pé ìyá rẹ̀ ti ya dìgbòlugi tó jẹ́ pé wọn ò gbọ́dọ̀ rọ́pùn kankan ní ọ̀dọ̀ rẹ̀.
bẹ́ẹ̀ ni Àjàní oríko ń bẹ lẹ́fọ̀ọ́. ìgbé ṣe mí.
kí ló wàá ṣe sí báyìí.
ìṣe wàá ìṣe nífẹ̀ẹ́ tàn sí ọ ní nífẹ̀ẹ́ tàn sí ó kàn jẹ́ pé wọ́n ló mọ́ ń dùn yẹn náà ni.
wọ́n kàn fi máa ń dẹ́rù bà wá lásán ni.
wọ́n ti dùn wọ́n.
wọ́n ti dùn wọ́n.
ìbálẹ̀